Hey guys, tonight I am trying out for the first time Trader Joe's Squiggly knife cut style noodles. I'm adding some black garlic, soft boiled egg, and some shrimp. Okay, here we go. Whew, hopefully that didn't crack. This egg is definitely messed up. Just want to test if it's done. Whoa. Oh my god, these are so long. Adding our sesame and soy sauce. Okay, so I saw some reviews saying this is kind of weak, but it smells good. Give this a mix. Black garlic. A couple of shrimpies they have, I'll put in. Some green onion. Kind of like getting to the white parts, but I'm still gonna cut it and put it over. Oh, okay, we got an egg. Is it soft boiled? Let's find out. Oh, is that soft boiled or is that just raw? Yeah, it's cooked enough. I'm gonna take a bite of the nudes first. Not very flavorful. I'm definitely gonna add something to it. But let me do a little bit of the egg yolk in it. I would say noodles are really good, but I gotta add soy sauce or something. But happy dinner, guys.